So I'm going to show you how to edit your 404 page on your Uscreen storefront. Now the 404 page is going to appear if someone tries to access a link on your website that doesn't exist. So we'll just type in a random bit of text here. You'll get this 404. And that's not the only way they're going to access it, just by something random here. If you've sent out maybe a video link and you've actually since deleted that video, anyone trying to click that link after the fact is going to get this 404 page. So it's important that we have this, and we've built this for you. But if you really want to customize that, it's no problem. We can do that. So let's go to the Help Center. Just go ahead and search 404 here, and you'll see this article here, brand the 404 page. And there's a script tag and a style tag that we're just going to copy this entire thing. And it wants us to go to the head code section under code snippets. So let's just go to the admin area here. And we'll go to customization, we'll click advanced, and then we'll click on code snippets. And this head code snippet is the spot we're looking for. You might already have some code here, depending on other customizations you've done. But just, new line, we'll paste that in. And let's just actually save this. We'll just see what happens here when we refresh. There we go. We've got a customized 404 page here. So let's go back. And there's a little bit we need to edit. So we have this little section here that says add your own text. And this is the subtext, I believe. So we'll just go, this content is no longer available, or maybe it never existed at all. Okay, let's save that. Go ahead and refresh. There we go. There's our text. And we'll just scroll down here, and here's the title part of it. So whenever you're doing a 404 page, it's pretty good practice to make sure that it says 404 somewhere, just in case someone, contacts you and says, hey, I got an error. It's really easy for them just to say, oh, it was a 404 error. You know immediately what it was. And most people are familiar with 404 errors enough to the point where they'll understand what that error means. But maybe let's add a little bit more here. I wrote, please have a look at our catalog for more great content, but I can't really click it. There's no way to get to the catalog. So let's just add that as a link. And so we just go over here. So this is just a little bit of HTML. We're just going to add an A tag here. And I'm going to type in the address of my store. And /catalog is the catalog link. We'll close that tag, close that opening tag, and then we need to close the entire tag over here. So it looks something that you can just, if you need to Google search that, just look up HTML link code, and that'll kind of tell you what to enter there. And we'll just hit save and refresh. Okay, and the reason is green is actually because under customization and then where are we here, homepage or common pages, I have set that as my primary color. So that'll automatically update if you ever do change your color there. And of course, you're free to add images, stuff like that. Make sure it's a good idea to have a transparent background so that it works on light themes and dark themes. If I do change this, it'll actually automatically update for me. So if I'll set this to light. Perfect, right? So just keep in mind that if you do have an image here, especially your logo, that doesn't have a white background. Otherwise, the potential dark theme will clash with that. So that's how you customize your 404 page.